how to publish a Wix website. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you exactly how you guys can publish a Wix website. Well, firstly you have to choose a website that you want to make. So I'm going to click on create new site, and that's going to take me over to the templates option. Now when the template options come up, click on Wix or click on editor X depending upon which software you want to use. After that, choose the category, and then after that just simply click on next once again. And now from over here, simply type in a name for your store. So I'm going to type in this just as an example. Gonna click on next, and that's gonna take me over to another page. Now from over here I'll also click on next again. Now once everything is set up, now from over here simply click on the top right on publish, and then after that it's gonna take you over to a pop-up box. Now your website is published, and you can simply access your website by accessing this particular domain. So click on view site, and it's gonna take you over to the store that you just published. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually publish your Wix websites. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, till next time, goodbye.